In this lesson we had learned system of units, fundamental quantities, types of clock, measured values. Okay, in the FPS is the British system, CGS and MK is the metric system. SI unit, SI stand for International System of Unit. There are 7 fundamental units in a SI system. The 7 fundamental units what ma? Are you remember? Yes. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Already last class 7th we had learned the length and mass. So this class we had learned time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. The first is temperature. Temperature is the measured the 3 scales: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin, but Kelvin is the SI unit. Okay, the temperature is the express the hotness or coldness of a body, that is temperature. Okay, the next is electric current. The electric current formula what ma? Yes, I is equal to Q by T, that is amount of electric charge by time. The electric charge is measured in coulomb, but electric current SI unit is ampere. Okay, next amount of substance. The substance contained, the matter substance contained in a body, that is amount of substance. Okay, amount of substance is a measure of the member entities, that is amount of substance. SI unit is mole. Next, luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, it is the measure the power of emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle is called luminous intensity. The SI unit is candela. Okay, the luminous intensity measured by dash. Yes, the luminous intensity is measured by photometer. Temperature and electric current, then luminous intensity. The 3 fundamental quantities measured some instrument. The temperature is measured by dash. Yes, thermometer. Electric current is measured by dash. Yes, ammeter. Luminous intensity is measured by dash, photometer. There are 3 instruments studied in this topic. Okay, next types of clock. Today class, the types of clock based on display and based on working mechanism. Based on display, the clocks are divided into 2 types. What they are? Yes, analog and digital. The analog clock is classic clock. Okay, the digital clock is electronic clocks. Okay, the clocks based on working mechanism. The quartz clock is electronic oscillation. The clocks are activated by electronic oscillation. Then atomic clock is worked by periodic vibration. Okay, the quartz clock is electronic oscillation, atomic clock is periodic vibration. The atomic clock is used in GPS. This is very important. The GPS using the atomic clock. Okay, next measured values. Measured values: accuracy in measurement, approximation in measurement, round off in measurement. Okay, first accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness of a measure the value to the actual value. Measured value to the actual value, these are accuracy. Approximation is the process finding the solution by means approximation. Okay, next a round off. The round off, some members then extend more numbers, particular numbers we want, that's why we put round off. Okay, that's all. These topics only in this lesson we had learned. Okay students, now take page number 9, mark the book back answer. Already most of the answer marked, some answers only now marking. Okay, take page number 9. First Roman, choose the best answer. Okay, which one of the following system of unit is British system of unit? CGS, MKS, FPS, SI. Okay, the CGS and MK is a metric system, FPS is a British system. Answer is FPS. Okay, then second one, electric current is a dash quantity. Electric current is a dash quantity, the base, standard quantity, base quantity. Already we studied the 7 fundamental units, that is base. The electric current is one of the fundamental quantity, that is the base. Answer is base. Then third one, SI unit of temperature. Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, 3 of them measuring the temperature, but Kelvin is the SI unit of temperature. Okay, next luminous intensity is the intensity of dash. The luminous intensity is a visible light only. That's why the umpire check the light in a ground. It is a visible light. Visible means to see in eyes, normal eye, that is visible light. The next fifth one, closeness of 2 or more measured values is called as dash. Closeness of 2 or more measured values. Accuracy is measured value and actual value, that is accuracy. Okay, the precision is the closeness of two or more, compare two values, that is precision. Okay, the uncertainty is error. Approximation is the finding the solution by estimation, that is approximation. So answer is precision. Then sixth one, which one of the following statement is wrong? Listen the question, which one of the statement is wrong? Okay, first one, approximation gives accurate value. No, the approximation is not accurate, so that is a wrong statement. Approximation simplifies the calculation, it is a correct. Approximation is very useful when little information to available, that also correct. The approximation is very useful to information for approximately 400, 500, that like. Okay, then approximation gives the nearest value only, not accurate, that is nearest. So B, C, D, these are correct, A only wrong. The question is which one of the following statement is wrong? So answer is A. Okay, next fill in the blanks. First one, the solid angle is measured in steradian. Okay, the plane angle is radian, the solid angle is steradian. Second one, the coldness or hotness of a substance expressed by temperature. Temperature explanation is the coldness or hotness of a substance is expressed by temperature. So answer is temperature. Dash is used to measure the electric current. Already in this lesson study the 3 instruments. The one is thermometer, another one is ammeter, then photometer. The ammeter is used to measure electric current. Answer is ammeter. Okay, then fourth one, 1 mole of a substance contain dash atom or molecules. The 1 mole is 6.023 into 10 the power of 23, that atoms in the molecules. Okay, then fifth one, the uncertainty in measurement is called error. Error is the definition of error. The uncertainty in measurement is called error. So answer is error. Sixth one, the closeness of a measured value to the original value is accuracy. Dear students, you know the difference between the precision and accuracy. Precision means 2 or more measured values. closeness of two or more measured values, but accuracy is closeness of the measured value and the actual value or original value. That is accuracy. Okay, then seventh one, the intersection of two straight lines give us dash. Two straight line give us the plane angle, two or more, okay, that is solid angle. So answer is plane angle. First one answer is radian, second one temperature, third one ammeter, fourth one 6.023 in 10 power 23, fifth one errors, sixth one accuracy, seventh one plane angle. That's all. Mark it yes. Next, true or false. First one, temperature is a measure of total kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Already most of the marking, again I'm explain, so listen. Temperature is a measure total kinetic energy, that is wrong. The answer is average kinetic energy. So false. The correct is average. Second one, if 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 minute is called ampere. The 1 coulomb of charge is flowing in 1 second, that is ampere. So false. The correct statement is instead of minute, second. Okay. Then third one, amount of substance gives a number of particles present in a substance. That is correct sentence. So true. Fourth one, intensity of light coming from a candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. That also true. So answer is true. Then fifth one, quartz clock are used in GPS devices. The answer is atomic clocks. Atomic clocks are used in GPS devices. Okay, not a quartz clock. Then sixth one, angle formed at the top of a cone is an example for plane angle. It's not the angle formed the top of a cone. So 3 intersection, that is answer is solid angle. So false. Answer is solid angle. Seventh one, the number 4.582 can be rounded off as 4.58. That is correct, because after the 8 the 2 is below the 5, so the round off answer is 4.58. Okay, next match the following. First one, temperature, measure of hotness or coldness, answer. Second one, plane angle, angle formed by the intersection of two plane. Intersection of two plane, that answer is plane angle. Solid angle, intersection of three plane, 3 or more plane, that is solid angle. Okay, so angle formed by the intersection of 3 or more planes, that is solid angle. Then fourth one, accuracy, closeness to the actual value. Okay, accuracy, closeness to the actual value and measured value. These are accuracy. Precision, closeness or 2 or more measurement. Okay, 2 or more, compare the 2 measurement, that is precision. Closeness of actual value, that is accuracy. Okay, then fifth one, fifth Roman, consider the statement given below and choose the correct option. First one, assertion, the SI system of unit is the suitable system for measurement. Reason, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion is the SI unit of system is a system for measurement. That is correct. And reason also, the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. So assertion and reason both are true. Then correct explanation. So answer is A. Second one, assertion, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity are the fundamental physical quantities. These are true. Okay. Then reason, they are independent of each other. This also correct. the fundamental units are independent each other, then above these are fundamental quantities, but not the correct explanation of assertion. ஓகேவா, அசர்ஷனுக்கு கரெக்டான எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் இது கிடையாது, அந்த ரீசனுக்குள்ளது கரெக்டான இது கிடையாது. ஸோ பி ஆன்சர், போத் அசர்ஷன் அண்ட் ரீசன் ஆர் ட்ரூ, பட் ரீசன் இஸ் நாட் கரெக்ட் எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் ஆஃப் அசர்ஷன். ஓகே, தென் third one, radian is the unit of solid angle. That is wrong, because stadian is the unit of a solid angle, so assertion is false. But here give a choice, anyone not that like, so the C option, you change the answer, assertion is true, you change the answer false, but reason is true, so answer is C. Okay, then sixth Roman, answer very briefly. How many base quantities are included in a SI system? There are 7 base quantities included in a SI system. These are already know: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, the next second one, then give the name of the instrument used for measurement of temperature. Already study the three instrument in this lesson. First one, thermometer, ammeter, photometer. Thermometer measured the temperature, ammeter measured electric current, photometer measured luminous intensity. So answer is thermometer. Then third one, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Answer is candela. What type of oscillation are used in atomic clocks? That is periodic oscillation. And quartz clock is electronic oscillation. Okay, the next, mention the types of clock based on the display. The clock based on display, the two types, one is analog, another is digital. Okay, then sixth one, how many times will the minute hand rotate in 1 hour? 1 hour க்கு minute hour வந்து எவ்வளோ டைம் வந்து ரொட்டேட் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா, தட் இஸ் 1 time. the minute hand 1 time rotate ஆனிச்சு அப்படின்னா that is 1 hour. Okay, then how many hours are there in a minute? This question you have to write in our class work note. Okay, take your class work note, write this one. How many hours are there in a minute? Already you know, 60 seconds there is a 1 minute, 60 minutes 1 hour. Okay, that question is how many hours are there in a minute? So the 1 minute equal to 1 by 60. So 0.0167 hours. That is answer, 0.0167 hours. Write in our class work note. This question alone you have to write in our class work note. Then 7th Roman, answer briefly. Already all the questions mark in our book in last previous class. Okay, then answer in detail also mark it. The second one alone not mark, write a short note on different types of clocks. I will send a photocopy. Okay, page number 6. All the question answer I marked and I will send the photos. So yes, mark in our book every question. Okay, then prepare well for one word test. Time is 1:15. Test through the teachment. Okay, okay dears, if you have any doubt ask me ma. Then one question alone you have to write on our class work note. Next, after writing the teachment test you have to write in our one words in our class work note. Every test you must write in our class work note question with answer. Okay, okay dears, thank you.